Yardie Belly's Kitchen once more, and today I am doing a green plantain cup, and this is gonna be a ackee and saltfish green plantain cup. And here is what the green plantain looks like. It somewhat is looking like a banana, but it's in the same family, but it's different from a banana. So the first step is to just peel the plantain. I'm making plantain cups.
You're making what?
Plantain cups. I'm just
So
peeling.
we can drink out that?
No. This is how you peel the plantain. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. Just make another
Sometimes it's hard.
make another slit right there. And continue. To be honest, I think peeling plantain is a man's job. I really don't think it's a woman's job, but hey.
You have long finger.
We got to do what we got to do.
Oh, peeling plant become a man's job.
Because it gets under your nails sometimes. So sometimes I just go ahead and literally peel it with the knife.
Yeah, but me still can't understand how it become a man's job.
Because the hand tougher and the fingernail tough.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
My fingernail is very soft.
Alright, so across it. Here you have the plantain. And I'm just cutting it in 4. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, and then the next step is to fry it. So the plantains have been fried. And it hasn't been fried all the way through, just because it's going to go in the oven for a little bit afterwards. So just to make sure it is pretty much fried to a point, like 80% fried or something. And then I'm going to move it over to my muffin tin. And then I'm using my pestle to just smush it down to form the cup.
You use what?
A pestle.
Oh, I think it's a pesto.
Pestle. Mortar and pestle.
So you just shape out the cup in the muffin tin.
Yes. And then it's gonna go in the oven, and then when it's fully baked, then you put your
So now
filling.
put the filling in it now.
No, after it's baked a little bit, you put the filling in, because the filling is already fully cooked.
Oh.
That's gonna be our filling.
What up?
Ackee and saltfish with a little bit of smoked bacon.
Ackee and saltfish with little bacon. I gonna be the filling. With the plantain. Oh.
The plantains have been baked for like 10 minutes in the oven, and now I'm convinced it's pretty much fully cooked. So now I'm going to put in my filling, which is my ackee and saltfish. So I'm just going to scoop that in the little cups.
This look more like hors d'oeuvres.
Yeah.
Or, appetizers. Yeah, appetizers.
Yeah. Get the saltfish up in the mix. Yeah, you pretty much just fill them all up as much as you can, and then it's gonna be popped back into the oven for another, say, 5 minutes or so, and then it's ready to eat.
Shall be eatable.
And you can pretty much fill your plantain cups with whatever filling you like. It doesn't have to be Ackee's. I know ackee might not be available to everyone, or everyone might not like ackee, so you can pretty much cook up anything and
Sardine.
Sardine or
Red herring.
kalaloo.
Yeah, kalaloo could have gone there.
Yeah.
Or some salt mackerel.
It can be a stir fry, a chicken, stir fry, or whatever. No matter.
Bully beef. Bully beef.
What is bully beef?
Corned beef. No, can't beef not same right.
So does that look okay or it need more?
Want a little more. Yeah. And so you're gonna put this back in the
Fill
oven?
my cup of love. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in the oven for like 5 minutes or so.
Oh, cool.
And we're good to go.
Oven time.
So here we have the finished product, or Ackee and Saltfish plantain cups. And we are just serving it up with some avocados and some baby cucumbers.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Well, cucumbers.
Yeah, so there they are. And this for me is going to be dinner. I mean, it doesn't have to be something heavy all the time.
Mm-hmm.
This alongside of your veggies and you're good to go.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, light dinner.
I feel so light.
Yeah. Don't pay no attention. Sure. Yeah, so once again, Yardie Belly Kitchen, wifey ear, signing out. And until next time, walk good. Remember to rate, like, subscribe, and share Yardie Belly in a foreign. And yeah, take care of yourself. Peace out.